Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step look at whether ConvertKit is good for beginners. It's incredibly easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. ConvertKit has a clean and intuitive interface, making it simple to navigate even if you're completely new to email marketing. Its dashboard is straightforward, giving you quick access to create forms, landing pages, and email sequences. No technical skills required. One of ConvertKit's standout features is its visual automation builder. It makes setting up email automations effortless, allowing you to create powerful workflows with just a few clicks. For beginners who want to segment their audience and send targeted emails, ConvertKit's tagging system is both simple and effective. You can easily categorize subscribers based on their activity or interests, which makes personalized email marketing so much easier. Another big plus, ConvertKit offers a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. That's great for anyone who wants to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. However, keep in mind that the free plan doesn't include advanced features like deep CRM integration or A/B testing. So, as your business grows, you might eventually want to upgrade to access those tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.